The plan right now is to put a formal line, a formal row of tulips right here, right behind these primroses.
These are called Misconfection, and it's a blend of white and kind of a reddish pink color.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're gonna plant some more tulip bulbs, so it's tulip planting part 2.
I know we have so many bulbs still. So actually, we also have anemones to plant. They're tiny little bulbs, and we'll show you in just a sec. So before we get to all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So guys, we're out in the front yard again, and this is part 2 of bulb planting for us. We're gonna put some bulbs around and underneath our dog tree here. The plan right now is to put a formal line, a formal row of tulips right here, right behind these primroses, and then we're gonna take groupings of, 5 or 7 or so of the tulip bulbs, and we're gonna put groupings of them in circles, or as best circles we can, up and around these areas closer to the tree trunk of the dogwood tree. So guys, today we're gonna put some bulbs in these areas right here along this new path that we put in earlier this summer. We'll probably do about 3 groupings along here, so probably one here, and then one down here, and we'll see how it goes. This mulch is really thick, but we got to go down about 5 to 6 inches, so we'll definitely hit some dirt and get those bulbs down in some dirt, and they'll be nicely insulated, and they should do pretty well here, but we'll see.
Okay, you guys, if you've been watching for a little bit, you know we had a ton of bulbs that we ordered from ColorBlends, and we also have some bulbs from Brent and Becky's that just came recently. These are tulips. They're a white tulip. They're called Mount Tacoma, and we love that because we live in Tacoma. So we're not sure where we're gonna put those yet, so those might be planted today. We have 100 bulbs right here. This is, these are called Misconfection, and it's a blend of white and kind of a reddish pink color. We also have these anemone bulbs that we got from ColorBlends, and look how tiny these are. They're just tiny little bulbs.
Yep, they are super tiny.
They do not need to be buried very deep. So the tulips will be, like Sean said, probably about 6 inches deep. These are probably about 2. And that's it. Actually, we have some more white tulips. These are going in the backyard, so we're not gonna plant those today. But that's probably it. All right, so you saw us get a whole bunch of bulbs planted, you guys, but we didn't even finish that bag of 100. And it's starting to rain on us, so we're gonna call it a day and we'll just get the rest of these planted and you'll just have to wait till next spring to see them.
Yep. So until then, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to the channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, so come on back to see which plant we're highlighting, and have a great day ahead, everybody.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.